Hello viewers, today I gonna show you how to fix you have reached your monthly limit of new chat messages. See this problem? Okay, fixed it. To do this first, go to your long press. Now tap on app info. Now scroll down. Now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Now go back. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Now go back. Now open your Play Store. Now search WhatsApp and check update. My WhatsApp update it. Now go back. Now restart your phone. Restart your phone and open WhatsApp. Now new chat. Hopefully your problem solved. Thank you.